Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI trading in Pocket Option, a feature that lets you trade smarter using artificial intelligence. But before we get started, if you don't already have a Pocket Option account or want to open a new one, you can use the link in the description below to get a $50 bonus after your first deposit. So with that out of the way, let's dive in. So here's how it works. On your Pocket Option trading panel, you'll see an option labeled AI Trading. This is right between buy and sell buttons. So right over here, that's the one you'll be using. To get started, simply select your trade amount from here because that's the only thing you need to set manually. Once you do that, the AI takes over. It will instantly analyze the market and decide the optimal direction for your trade, whether it's a buy or a sell position. To get that started, just simply click AI Trading and choose Open a Trade. Now, here's what it makes it powerful. The AI uses advanced algorithms that monitor the market in real time. So it evaluates market signals, technical analysis, trading strategies, the behavior of other traders, and even over 100 different indicators. All of this helps it make quick and intelligent trading decisions for you. In short, AI trading does the heavy lifting. You just set the amount and it handles the analysis and timing. And pretty much that's it. It's an easy and efficient way to trade with data driven precision. So go ahead, enable AI trading on Pocket Option and start letting artificial intelligence help you make smarter moves in the market. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!